Let me now take you to the states of Himachal Pradesh and Uttarakhand. 36 people are reported missing after a cloudburst in Shimla's Rampur. 2 people died, several missing after 2 separate cloudburst incidents in Himachal Pradesh. The cloudburst occurred in Shimla and Mandi and caused significant disruptions and damage in the area. The cloudburst hit road connectivity also in Rampur. The rescue teams are trying to hike to the affected site. 2 people have been confirmed dead. Meanwhile, in Uttarakhand as well, 9 people have been reported dead after flash flood triggered by cloudburst. 200 pilgrims on the Kedarnath Yatra route got stranded as the rain washed away a part of their walking path.
वहाँ पर हमारे जिलाधिकारी और अन्य लोग, पूरे प्रशासन के लोग मौके पर गए हुए हैं। 2 पुल वहाँ पर, एक बैली ब्रिज और एक छोटा लकड़ी का पुल, दोनों वाश आउट हुए हैं। दोनों कल रात की जो बरसात है उसमें पूरी तरह से वहाँ पर संपर्क नहीं हो पा रहा, लेकिन जो यात्री वहाँ पर थे उन यात्रियों को सुरक्षित निकाला जा रहा है। एसडीआरएफ की टीम हमारी और एनडीआरएफ की टीम काम कर रही है, जिला प्रशासन के लोग काम कर रहे हैं, आपदा प्रबंधन के लोग काम कर रहे हैं। सभी लोगों से बात हुई, हमारे जो जनप्रतिनिधिगण हैं उनसे भी बात हो रही है। सभी लोग अपना अपना योगदान कर रहे हैं। वहाँ पर
सरपारा पंचायत का जो समेज है वहाँ शिमला डिस्ट्रिक्ट का, तो उसमें जो है अभी तक 36 मिसिंग बताया गया है। 36 कंफर्म्ड है मिसिंग। और इसी तरह से जो हमारा ये मंडी का जो टिक्कन वाला एरिया है, इसमें भी मतलब जो है 8 मिसिंग है। 2 डेड बॉडीज रिट्रीव हो गए हैं, 1 इंजर्ड है। तो जो कुल्लू का जो एरिया है, मलाना में जो पावर प्रोजेक्ट है उसका जो बैराज है वो ब्रीच हुआ है, तो लोग अभी फंसे हुए हैं। रोड कनेक्टिविटी अभी बंद है, तो वहाँ पैदल जाना पड़ रहा है। तो उन लोग जो फंसे हुए उनको रेस्क्यू किया जाएगा। अभी इमरजेंसी मीटिंग कॉल किया है, अब शुरू होने वाली मीटिंग।
I want to bring in my colleague Manjeet Sehgal. Is en route Kullu right now, and remember, it wouldn't be easy to even reach locations where these incidents have taken place. Manjeet, a full-fledged building came down, crashing within seconds. What are you hearing from Kullu? It's a popular tourist spot as well. I'm pretty sure many tourists are there even at this point. What are you hearing from the ground?
Well, Pooja, many tourists have been stranded at various places, and this particular place which you're talking about, this vegetable market was washed away after a breach was reported in Hydel Power Project Dam. Remember, this is one of the cloud bursts that took place in Himachal Pradesh during the past 24 hours. One cloud burst was reported in Mandi, one in Kullu, and another cloudburst have been reported at Rampur area, where 36 people are missing. The administration has so far recovered only 2 bodies. Many people have been reported missing from various parts of the state. The administration, NDRF, SDRF teams are on the ground launching the rescue, but they were also facing difficulties following the bad weather, and there is also a poor connectivity, and the roads have been blocked at various places. So the rescuers were also facing difficulties moving the places. They were marching on foot. Several passengers were also stranded at various places, and buses were not able to ply on these routes, which have been blocked by the landslides and landslips. The administration has also issued a warning to the tourists and other travelers not to move on the roads if the travel is not necessary. So they've been advised to stay back homes. They have also been particularly warned not to venture the banks of the flooded rivulets and rivers, as this can put their lives in danger. As far as the Met Department is concerned, an orange alert is in place for lower Himachal Pradesh, as heavy to heavy rains have been predicted in the state.